Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're back out with the X5 and there's an interesting feature here. If you click on here and you go through, you have pure video, photo. Well, today we noticed there's a new feature added to the Insta 360 X5. It's called instaframe. Now, instaframe, I think, is a great feature for anyone that's never operated a 360 camera. I think a lot of people avoid the 360 camera because of editing. Now, apparently, with this new feature here, you really don't need to know a whole lot about editing video. So we're gonna do a little demonstration on how it works. We've never used it before, but we're gonna try this out. Okay, so we've opened that up. Okay, has a button here, custom view. So we're gonna click that. Now up at the top, there's all these different views. Okay, the first one is a perspective view. So if we move the camera around, the camera is filming with just this lens here. No matter where we go, okay, no matter where we go, it's just using the front-facing camera. It says the rear view camera actually, so I guess the front view is this camera and your rear view is at the back. Okay, so that's rear view. I thought that was front view, but anyway. So we'll click on that button again. Okay. Sorry guys, this is the first time using it. So we're gonna stop that. We're gonna stop that video. Okay, and now we're going to click on that and go to the next one. Okay, the next one says front view. Okay, so front view, as you can see, it's the camera on this side where the screen is, and it's just filming that. Okay, let's hit record and record some of that. Front view. Okay, so no matter where I turn, okay, it's only filming from this camera right here in front view. Okay, that's kind of cool. And you don't have to worry about editing this because it's filming no matter where I point the camera. Okay, we're gonna stop that recording. Click on that. Now we'll go to the third one at the top, and the third one says top view. Okay, we're gonna hit record and top view. No matter where I point the camera, it's showing just the top view. So the camera is actually looking up. The camera is filming up. No matter where I put the camera, it's filming up. So it's filming everything that's up. That's really cool. So let's stop that video. Okay, let's click that. Let's go to the next one. Okay, and the next one is bottom view. So everything that's going down, it's recording. Let's hit record. Okay, so no matter where I put the camera here, it's filming down. It's filming down. Okay, let's stop that. Oh, I know, Sammy. Sammy, I'm doing a video. I'm doing a video.
What you got there?
It's a 360 camera.
Oh, nice. don't have to go back and edit all that. You can just
Yeah, and I film everything. I've always been into different cameras and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But since I got into the 360, I don't take any camera with me. When I fly my drones or I do any video, I just take the 360 because I don't have to do anything with it.
Yeah.
I can mount this on the tripod. I can talk to you. I can go over here. I don't have to worry.
Yeah,
as long as it's recording with it.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Right? Yeah.
That's cool. All right, see you later.
All right, see you, Ray. Sorry guys, I got interrupted there. Somebody asking me about the 360 camera. Anyways, let's back to the little demonstration that I was doing. Okay, the bottom view is filming everything downwards. Okay, so I think I recorded some of that before I stopped, but anyways, you can see the camera is pointing down. It's pointing down. Okay, let's stop that. Okay, now what we want to do is there's another spot over here. Okay, let's get out of there. Okay, there's a little icon right here, and I think this icon is like tracking. It looks like the tracking, and you can see it is putting a tracking on my face there. So we're gonna hit record, and we're gonna hit, it says selfie view, so let's hit selfie view. Okay, I guess that button stays green there. Oh no, it lost it here. Okay, so okay, I guess that's how it works. It just does the outline. And so now I'm going to get up and walk around. I have it on record, and as you can see, it's got the green around my face. So no matter where I go, what I point at, it should keep me in there for vlogging. This is perfect. It's great, and you don't have to worry about editing because all this is going to be filmed. So let's walk around. Okay, and again, no matter where I turn, as you can see, I don't know if you can see it from there, but it's tracking me. No matter where I turn, the camera is tracking me. I can walk around, I can spin the camera, and it's maintaining right on my face here. And you know, if you're someone new and not knowing how to edit, these features here are great because it's filming everything that you want without having to do any keyframes. Yeah, I'm really liking this. I'm really liking this new feature on the X5. And for new people learning how to do 360, this is excellent. So let's stop that video. Okay, let's try something else. Let's go back in there. It had bottom view. Okay, now the next selection here at the top is the tracking that we just done. So yeah, it says custom view. So the custom view, I think you can probably zoom in. Yeah, you can zoom in. So if you wanted to zoom in on yourself and then do the tracking, yeah, you could go that. So we zoomed in, and now we can have it on that tracking. So we've zoomed in up close, and it's going to stay zoomed in, and we can get up, and wherever we go, we have a zoomed in tracking of us. That is so cool. So cool. Yeah, let's press record. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's staying right on us. Oh yeah. Yeah, so that's zoomed in. It's zoomed in and it's tracking us. Let's stop that video. Yeah, all of these videos that I'm making here with these features, I won't need to do any editing. I'll be able to upload that just the way they are. So if you were new to 360, all these little features, no matter where you are, what you're filming, you're going to be able to just film, just upload your video. This is very cool. This is very cool, especially for beginners. Okay, so let's get out of the selfie view. Okay, let's go back over here. Now let's see what else they have. Okay, they have a couple other features there for movement. Let's see what they do. So there, look at that. Look at that. This button here, it spins your video. Almost like the new Mavic 4. That is so cool. And then the top one there is actually going to go around and around. And look, I'm sitting here and it's going around. Okay, let's see what else. Oh, also using this feature in the X5 there, apparently you need to have it on 5.7K. I'm going to try changing the resolution, see if any of those features work, but from what I heard, you need to be in 5.7K. So let's click on that. Okay, so there you go. It has to be 5.7K. It doesn't give you an option for the 8K. But this is very cool, a very cool feature. Yeah, you have all of these up here. You know, we have it still zoomed in. We can zoom back out. There, we've zoomed all the way back out. Yeah, that is very cool. Very cool. And what is this button here? Horizon lock off. Horizon lock on. And the one below that, distortion correction on. So, you know, if you're new to 360, that's something you might want to turn on too, so you don't get any fisheye view or anything like that. Yeah, this is very cool. Very cool. Let's hit record. And okay, we have it. We have the camera horizontal, but it's still showing me. It's still showing me walking around. Yeah, it's still showing me walking around. And that's the front view. Front view, and it's pointing straight ahead. Okay, let's point that. Let's stop recording. Let's go into rear view. Okay, so rear view, I think it's using this side here. You can see it's just using that camera there. I'll hit record. Yeah, this is cool too. So I can have the camera in my hand and be looking at stuff and just filming, and the camera is going to stay focused. The camera is going to stay focused on wherever I'm pointing. You know, if you're at a car show or anything else, you have that one camera. And this is great. You don't have to worry about editing. It's maintaining that view that you've selected. Oh well. This is so much fun. Okay guys, I think that's all we're gonna do today. Okay guys, that was fun working with that new feature on the X5. I did check my X4 to see if they included that in a new firmware update, but I don't see it on the X4. Apparently this is only on the X5. Anyways, this was fun doing the little tests and little demo for you. I hope everyone enjoyed it, and if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.